Part 1. How to backup Android with Helium. First of all, you should download and install Helium app on your Android device. Just go to Google Play Store to search for Helium. Click on Install button to install it on your phone. Please note, if you haven't rooted your Android device, you have to install the Helium desktop installer at the same time. Once you have installed both of the Helium and Helium desktop installer, launch the Helium app. If your Android phone is rooted, grant it root access and you are ready to use it. Once you have opened Helium on your Android device, you can select the file types you want to backup. Just select the data types you need and Helium will tell you which one can be backed up and which one cannot. Once you are happy with your selection, you can directly click on the backup option and you can specify an output location to save the backup files in the next window. Note, generally speaking, Helium can't back up certain apps such as live wallpapers, Chrome and YouTube. Part 2. Backup Android using Best Helium Alternative Tool. Start by downloading and installing the Coolmuster Android Assistant software on your computer. Once the installation process is complete, launch the program and link your Android phone with the computer via USB cable. Note, you may need to enable USB debugging on your Android phone firstly. Once the Android device is detected by the program, you can go to the left side menu to choose the file types that you want to backup. All the selected data types will be scanned out and shown on the right, allowing you to preview them in details. Tick off the files you want to backup and then click the export button from the top menu. You can decide a location on your computer to save the exported files.